Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Hope you're good. If you're new around here, I'm Tiffany, press the power. If you're not new, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Listen, we got something a little bit different today. A little bit more poppy than what we're used to on this channel, but we move. Listen, we've got Amarie, KSI and Digital Farm Animals. I did listen to the last KSI, Craig David and Digital Farm Animals. Didn't have a clue who Digital Farm Animals was. But it was not really my thing, but I don't mind Amarie, so it could be alright. Do you know what I mean? So we're gonna check it out anyways. But before we do, guys, like the video if you like the video, drop me some comments if you want to see me react to anything else, or if you want to see some different content, let me know and I will see you down there. Most of all though, subscribe. The family is growing. I don't even know why. You guys definitely do like me more than I like myself. Anyways, let's go. Oh, it's directed by Troy Roscoe, which probably means it was filmed and edited by Troy Roscoe as well, which is exciting because his videos are mad. Like, he works a lot with KSI. He did as well, you know, Chunks and Young Phillies Cleanup. If you haven't watched my reaction to that, go and watch it because there's a little story in there of how I met them guys. But honestly, this video should be lit. Let's go.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun in the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC.
Alright, so in the nicest possible way, I wasn't expecting to enjoy this that much. Like I said, I like Amarie, but this kind of music is it's very like commercial pop and I don't really dig it that much, yeah. But the way KSI's come in with this little flow, I like it. It's better than what he sounded like before.
Don't play,
all that time on your own with me. We had fun in the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're
I bet you fucking love filming this video though as well.
hearing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready.
What is this? I don't understand. Why do I like it?
We had fun in the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing.
Oh yeah, I just realised why he's teaching how to box. I was thinking to myself, what is this video about? And then I realised obviously he does this little boxing thing, innit?
You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap, cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently.
She's got a banging voice though, innit?
When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the
Listen, I'm singing along. What's happening? What is happening?
feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play,
His little fucking mask thing said, ouch.
yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't.
So, why can I predict the lyrics? It's because it's pop, innit? It has to be like this. So this is how people fucking manage to know all the lyrics, like, pretty much instantly. It's why it gets stuck in your head, which is why it's commercial. Like, I understand. But it's working on me. Why is it working on me? Why?
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before, seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before, yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving.
Wait, are you what? Punching the tennis balls and up?
Before, yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing.
Not being funny, yeah? If you actually deep the lyrics, they're quite good. Like what she's saying. And I know a lot of my friends will resonate with this.
I think I've heard it all before, yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma
I like the way she goes, ha.
Say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Got me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh.
Guys, it's worked. It's worked. It's Little Curse all over me.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah, play,
Look at that advert. Not being funny, like, I started this saying, I'm not sure if I'll like it, pop music really isn't my thing. I sang along to the whole tune. Obviously I liked it. I actually liked it a lot more than I expected to. I think it's probably one of KSI's better, if not best, sounding song. And obviously Anne-Marie helps, innit? So, we move. Listen guys, if you got to the end of the video, please leave a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and I will see you soon for another one. Take care. I am out.